Hey everyone, welcome back to our episode. Today we are diving into the essential of PowerPoint, how to add and format text, images, and steps to make your presentations pop. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves making presentations, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Okay? So the first thing, let's talk about the add the text. To add text to your slides, so simply like here, someone or sometime you make the you may want to add textbooks when you are working. Like instead of or before that, let me delete this one or here, then insert, go to the insert tabs and click on the text box under the text group. Okay, so here just click and drag to your text box on the slide. Now type your text. Okay, for example, let's use the I can just say welcome to our presentations. For example, I just say this one or this one. Okay, so here we have now this one, the text. To format this text easily, highlight it or just click over here, go to the home tab, and here you can change the font size or font color and also the more. For example, let's exchange the font styles over here. When I using, now you can see it changes over here. If I want to change the font point easily, just select this one. Now you can see we have now this one, and also you can easily change the colors. For example, if I use it waiting for the colors, now here we can have the different colors. Okay, you can also add effects like bold, italics, and underline. For example, let's use the bolded. Here it's now bold. If you want to make it the italic, it comes with the italics. Okay, and for more advanced options, click on the small arrow in the font size settings, open the dialog box over here, and here we have the different one or whatever you want to use, just for colors or also the or let me text font or whatever font styles, font size. Here we have the effect. So for example, you can use the will be the caps over here, then hit on the OK. Now you can see it comes in with the all caps, and if I use this one like the all strikes through, then hit on the OK. Now it comes with the strike through. Okay, next let's add an image. So before that, we want to add the another slide with the new slide. You can add the image from your contents, like selecting over here pictures or here stock images or whatever. So you can easily select over here, or if you want to, or if you don't have this or this, so you can add the image very easily by using the inside tabs and click on the pictures and choose like these devices or use the stock images or the all-in images. For example, let's use the stock images to upload an image from our stocks. So let me use a simple example. If I wanna say this will be, or I'm gonna use it over this one, or here I can use the different one. Let me use over here this one, use the static. Okay, so here it's now downloading. Once the image is in your slide, you can resize by clicking and dragging the corners. And to format the image, go to the picture format tabs over here, and here you can find several options, or you can also borders if you want to use the different one, whatever you deserve, or like here with the borders, or if you want to use a different borders, or if you want to different color borders. Okay, And you can also add here the shadow. For example, let's add the borders with this one, and you can easily use the shadows by using the pictures or effect. Or here, let me use the picture status over here, and now you can see we have the different shadows with here. Okay, so now that we have used it, you can also change the picture styles if you want to use with the picture styles. Okay, so now let's move into the another options. Let me, before that, I want to use the new slide. Let me delete or this one, and you can add the shapes. Shapes can really enhance your presentations. To attach it, simply go to the inside tabs and click on the shape over here. Like you can find that here and select the shapes like you want to draw in your slide. Okay, for example, let's use the, I want to use the rectangle, this one. I can just select this one, click and draw it on the slide. Okay, so now that we have now the shapes, to format the shapes, click on it and go to the shape format. Here you can change the fill colors like the outlines or the text effect, whatever. Let's start with the different, or let's start with the text fill colors, or here the shape fill colors. So for example, I want to use this one, and if I want to use the outline, I can easily use the different outline with here. We have this one, and you can easily use also the shape effect by using the shape effect options. Like you can use the shadows, reflections, or glow, whatever you deserve. For example, let's use a simple glow over here. I want to use, then go to the again here, and now this times I want to use the bevel. And when I using this one bevel, now you can see as the preview, it is a different one. Okay, so now let's combine text, image, and shapes for professionals look. Okay, so here I want to add something with the text, so let me use, or I want to draw it into the here. And what I'm gonna do, I want to copy it with here and here. Now that we have before that, I want to do it again. So I want to draw it over here, paste it over here. I can just easily use it. Okay, and also we can do, if I want to text to the here with our text, and I can change here this text font styles by using the home tabs. Use here the different ones. I can just easily use it this one, or let me change here the different font colors or the more appealing. I can just easily use it to the here. Okay, so now that we have now this one, now let's add an image. So go to the insert tabs, use the pictures, stock images, and I want to use it. For example, I can just easily use it, select this one, and here we have now this one, then resize it this one over here. Okay, so now that we have now this one, then let's add the shape. Okay, I want to do by using the insert tabs, use the shape, and this times I can easily the access triangles over here. Now that we have now this one, you can easily arrange it if you want to use over here. This times what I'm gonna do, I want to use the shape format and text effect. Like here we can have the different one, this one, text the outline. If I use this outline, or here the shape outlines, I want to use this outline, shape effect, and I can have this one. Okay, so now that we have now this shape and also the images. Okay, so and here, and also remember to keep things balanced and aligned. Use the align tool to arrange all here by around sections under the home tab. We help with this, arrange it. Okay, so however you want to use it, and here we have now this one. And what I'm gonna do, so now that we have our object with the text and with the shape, or here we have the different object over here. Okay, so now that what I'm gonna do, I want to make it object by selecting all, right click over here and make it and group it. So now that when you move it, it can be moved at the same time with like the text and shape and also the images. Okay, so and that's it. You have learned how to add format, text, image and shapes in PowerPoint. With these skills, you can create engaging, visually appealing presentations. Don't forget to be with us, and thanks for watching.